Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on HOTWAV Pad 8. To this we'll need to open the SIM slot, which is located on the left side on this tablet. Take a SIM ejection tool and stick it in the gap right there. Open the slot. And inside we have the SIM slot number 1, and there's also a thing that looks like a SIM slot number 2, but we're gonna check if this actually works. Now let's see if the SIM card was detected. And yep, it seems that the SIM card was actually detected, since I can see the name of my network provider. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.